I'm up on the hill. Can you see that fort? Right on the hill? Yes. On the top, yes. The red top, yes. We call it Fort William. Let me start with this story. You see, there was fierce competition between the Dutch and the British. Because initially we had the Dutch West India Company before the British came in. So what the British did was to take some of the possessions from the Dutch. So when the British took over from the Dutch in 1664, again, they constructed that fort to check any future attack. The thing is, when you go up on the fort, you have the advantage of seeing about 60% of Cape Coast. From there, again, you can see so well on the sea, you can see so well inland. So before this castle can be attacked either by sea or by land, their men on the fort would know the intentions. So quickly, they would send them signal where the guns and everything was prepared. So that was the purpose of the fort. So interestingly, it also happened that the British lived here from 1664 to 1957, when we had independence. So they only left this castle after independence in 1957. Yes, they stayed for more than 200 years. Yeah. So that was the purpose of the fort. And apart from the fort, there are churches. I think let's come closer this way. Let me show you the three churches, the three old churches of this country. Aha. So over there to my right, can you see the church with a green roof? That is a Methodist church, the first one this country had. Right, then when you come left, over there just across the street, you find a church. That is the Anglican church, or you can also call it the Church of England. And up there, there's another church, that is the Catholic Church. These are some of the first church buildings this country, Ghana, had. And in the course of our tour, I'll show you something. You realize that right here in this castle, the British built one of their churches on the male dungeon. So it happened like, whilst God was worshipped, whilst God was praised, others were underneath, screaming, dying, and mourning. So from the governor's place, first of all, I'll show you the church. Then from the church, we shall move on to the male slave dungeons. I hope my voice and my accent is quite clear.
Wonderful, man. Wonderful.
All right, so let's move on to the governor's place.